Since I came to office last July, I have met with a number of groups, including youth organisations, NGOs such as Bodywise and the HSE. All have raised the issue of an increase in the level of severity and number of people presenting with eating disorders. The development of specialist eating disorder services is a key priority for me as Minister for Mental Health. This year I secured the availability of €3.94 million for the National Clinical Programme of Eating Disorders. This will fund the establishment of 3 new specialist eating disorder teams and complete the 3 existing specialist teams in 2021. I can assure you that I am fully committed to ensuring this funding is spent in full this year. I will work closely with the HSE and my colleagues in government so that specialist eating disorder services continue to be developed beyond 2021. Gorv Mahagut.